Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Volvo S60 in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. This specific procedure is essential for situations like towing or when the engine is not running, as it's the only way to disengage the transmission. We'll cover the exact steps to get your car into neutral safely and efficiently. To begin, make sure your key fob is inside the car. Then, press the start button once without pressing the brake pedal. This action will activate the car's electrical system, but the engine will remain off. You'll notice the instrument cluster lights up, indicating that the vehicle is now ready for the next step in engaging neutral. Now that the electrical system is active, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. With your foot on the brake, move the gear selector from park to the neutral position. You should see the letter N clearly displayed on your instrument cluster, confirming that the transmission is now in neutral. Release the brake pedal carefully. Remember to always apply the parking brake immediately after placing the car in neutral, especially if you're on an incline. It's crucial not to turn off the engine while the car is in neutral, as this can re-engage the park lock. Always consult your Volvo S60 owner's manual for any model-specific variations or additional safety information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.